sipping, homies? We are staying at the beautiful Fort George Hotel and Spa here in Belize City, Belize. And I gotta tell you guys, look at this lobby area. It is probably one of the most gorgeous places that we've stayed at. Not just like anywhere, but like I'm telling you, like probably in the US as well. The restaurant is killer. The lobby is beautiful. The staff is amazing. And there's just so much things to do, especially in the outside area over here. We'll go outside, take a look-see. So once outside, you will catch just the balcony views. These right here are actually their villa areas, but just in general, these is just the area to just kind of come by and kick back and just relax. And just as quiet as, well, minus the sound of the sax. It's just quiet because it's right next to the beach. So, oh my goodness, just the relaxation that we've had over the past week or so is awesome. And in case you're wondering how much it costs, we're gonna go ahead and drop the cost right below here because I don't remember off the top of my head. But this is the pool, very, very kid friendly. It's small too, so don't be thinking that you're about to just drown because it's like a crazy pool. But in general, this area and the outside area is probably the place that you're gonna want to hang out at for sure. Our room is actually right there, and we've had no complaints. We've got out in the morning time, we've had our drink, we've had breakfast, we've just kicked back and just literally just enjoyed the sights and sounds of just Belize right over here. And you know me, I love my sights and sounds. If there's any questions or you need anything, concierge right when you walk into the building. So the number one question we always get, well, no, it's not the number one. Number one question is, what did you eat? Well, the number two question we get, is there a gym? So for you gym heads, there absolutely is a gym. So if you take a look-see in here, it's a full-blown gym. In fact, I see some gyms over there in general that don't look as fresh as that. So it's located right next to the elevator, so you can get your pump, you can get your swole on, baby, right there in the Burn Box gym, and then right next to the elevators as well. Right next to the elevator, what's up guys, that's me, are the bathroom areas. So don't need to go into details, but super clean bathrooms. Y'all just gotta take my word on that one. And again, still in the lobby area. And all disclaimer, we're actually checking out, but I'm not quite sure if I did the walkthrough when we got here because we were so excited. But just a quick overview of the bathroom really quick as we're getting ready to get out here. So I would say the only con about this room kind of is the shower, to be honest with you, because there's like no door. So when the AC is cracking, you are gonna get that little chill. And you press a little button and then the pressure's all right. It's not the greatest, but other than that, pretty solid bathroom, pretty generic. And as for the room, pretty generic as well. Again, nice little closet space, and then got your safe, and then the room, all in all, is pretty generic, but they do have a lot of plugs, which is actually pretty cool as well. Because sometimes when I travel, I like to bring a little power strip with me as well, because sometimes there's not enough, but no, there's plenty in here as well as a little desk area with more plugs and more over here. So keep in mind though, if you do get this room, whoever loves the AC, put them on this side of the bed, because this bad boy blows, and whoever sits here, man, it's a cold experience. But I like the AC, so I really didn't mind it. And then the rooms over here for George all have a little balcony area as well. So we spent a lot of time over here just chilling, relaxing, having a drink, and just enjoying just the views and the sounds, and you know, listening to the views and the sounds and listening to the birds and just enjoying it. So all in all, pretty good room. I don't have anything negative to say about it other than that shower kind of sort of, but other than that, we in a heartbeat would stay here again. No questions asked. All right, time to fly home.